If you're interested on how to get started manifesting, and this can go to manifest a person, to manifest a job, manifest money, your dream life, literally anything, keep watching because I'm going to be explaining one of the methods that I used when I got started. So as you already probably saw in the title, I'm going to be talking about the law of assumption and how I apply it, and also how you can do it. So of course, the first thing that you would like to know is what is the law of assumption. You can pause to read it. Basically, Neville Goddard believed that your state of mind will bring you your desires, meaning that you have the power to get whatever you want. So I'm going to explain that a little bit. So I'm going to explain it with my story. So basically, I was going through a breakup, and honestly, I felt super sad, super depressed. You guys already know the feelings when you're going through a breakup. One thing I promised myself was that I didn't want to get stuck in that position to be that negative. So I accepted the fact of the breakup. I accepted that that was over, and I had the mentality that I wanted to create something new. I wanted a new me. I wanted to work on myself and become someone better. So I guess the first thing for you to get what you desire is to accept maybe the old story and let it go, forget about it like it never happened. Now that I have accepted the fact that the breakup was over, I wanted a new beginning. So have this new imagination. Now, number 2, make sure that you have maybe an idea of what you want to do. In this case, what you want to manifest. So what I wanted to manifest was for me to get over the breakup and just find myself again. So if you're trying to get a new car, a new person, a new relationship, get back with someone, you have to know that. You should already have that in your mind. That's the desire that you want, that you really, really want. And that was pretty much my desire, to get over the breakup, feel better, and all these things. And that's when I applied the law of assumption, meaning that I started assuming that I was already over the breakup. Sounds delusional, but believe me, delusional, this word, it's amazing. Yes, you might act like you already have the desire, but what really brings your manifestation, it's the emotion, okay? It's all the emotions that you express. So I can literally be telling my mind, I'm over the breakup, I'm over the breakup, but if I'm not feeling like I'm over the breakup, I'm not doing anything. So what I started to do was to go out and literally enjoy life, enjoy myself, enjoy alone time. I started doing affirmations, working on myself. All these things helped me to feel those emotions as like I'm already the breakup. So I started living and having fun even though I was going through a breakup. So if you're trying to manifest a person to come back to you, just live your life assuming that this person is already with you, but that you're fulfilled and that you are good without this person. Even though in your mind you should know that that person is with you. Same for that job. Have that emotion that that job is yours and only yours. This is something that you need to be really consistent. I'm going to be making a part 2, so go ahead and watch it.